Hi, I'm Jessica Connor, and by now you've maybe read through the syllabus and you've looked at the grading system and you've said, wow, that is a different grading system. And it is. What we've done here with this objectives-based grading, sometimes called standards-based grading, is we've divided up all of the topics and skills in the class into gradable objectives. So basically, if it is listed as a graded objective, it is equivalent to what I might ask in a single question on a test. Right, so each of these objectives is equally weighted, and each one will receive a separate grade. And so you'll be graded from 0 through 4, and 0 through 4 roughly correspond to F through A. Right, so if you want to get an A in this class, you're going to want to get 4s on as many topics as you can. All right, so every time we have an assessment, you'll be told what objectives are being assessed, and at the end of the assessment, your grade for each of those assessed topics will reflect your most recent level of ability in that. Okay, so every week you'll have some quiz problems for each of the weekly objectives. You may also have some written assignments for those objectives. And so the weekly work is going to be half of your grade for each objective. And the other half will be either the midterm or the final exam. Right? So one of the really wonderful things about grading this way is that you are going to be able to retest on items that you did not do as well on as you would like. Right? So every week you will be able to retest on one previous item. Additionally, the whole class will retest one item selected based on its being the one that most of the class can improve on. So the first week we have 3 objectives, and so next week, the second week, we will have the objectives for that week, plus one objective that everyone will retest. That was the cat. One objective everyone will retest. And then there'll be one objective of your choice if you want. But if you are happy with how you did on all of the week 1 objectives, you don't have to retest in the second week on any of them. Well, that's not what I mean.